Hey guys, Paul with Rustica, and we are standing here in the Rustica showroom in Springville, Utah. Kate and I, many years ago, set out to bring soul to your living space through the products that we design and build right here down the road. Our plant's just a mile that way. And anyway, we were able to find this beautiful old warehouse that used to service trucks and stuff. There was like a trough in the middle of the showroom filled with like some kind of grime, who knows what, EPA nightmare, I'm sure. But anyway, we turned it into our showroom because it had so much soul. We felt like our products needed to glean some of that soul, real history, so that it could tell a story. And that's what we design all of our products to do, is to tell a story. So hopefully you can find a chance to come out to our showroom, to this beautiful space, and find some inspiration for your project.